Hello, everyone. Um, this is take 4, I think. Oof. All right. So today we're going to do an experiment, and in this one, we're going to do a Tollen's reaction, or a Tollen's test, I should say. Sorry. With that, we're going to take this flask and we're going to coat it with a thin layer of silver. And how it does that is with the Tollen's reagent, it is a test for aldehydes, and it reacts with that aldehyde, creating carbonic acid, something like that. Don't quote me on it. But anyway, it creates that, and the other precipitate is silver, and that's what coats the inside of the flask, making it kind of like a mirror. For this, we're going to use silver nitrate, which is already in the flask. This is potassium hydroxide, and apparently you can also use sodium hydroxide. Here they're interchangeable. This is dextrose, which is glucose or sugar. Ammonium hydroxide in this awesome container. It says ammonium hydroxide. That's a very, very strong base. So is sodium hydroxide. And this is distilled water. And we're going to rinse the flask out at the end very, very well, because apparently the dried residue of the Tollen's reagent is actually very explosive. So we're going to make sure that that doesn't happen, and we're going to rinse it very, very well. So yeah, I actually tried this earlier. It took a very long time to prepare, and I was shaking the flask for a very, very long time. So, and nothing happened. So hopefully this time it works. Oof. Alright, so here we go. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take the silver nitrate. Let's put it this way. And we're going to add dropwise the ammonium hydroxide, and it's going to turn sort of a cloudy brown color. It's really gross looking. Maybe this will help. Here we go. So I have my dropper. Take this off. Hopefully that can come out after the end. Oof, that'd be good. Alright, ammonium hydroxide smells horrible. Alright, so we're going to stir this while we're doing it. Why aren't you changing colors yet? Alright. Now we're supposed to add this. Gosh, it didn't change color yet. I don't know what to do. It's supposed to, and I already added quite a bit of ammonium hydroxide. Maybe I already added enough. I don't know. Let's try this. So we're going to add this, the potassium hydroxide. was supposed to make it turn a very dark color, and I don't understand what's going on. Um, Hopefully I didn't add too much ammonium hydroxide already. Oh, that was good. Alright. Oh, get out of there. Alright, we have progress. This stopper is not working. Awesome. Got it on my hand. Go ahead and rinse that off. Oof. I just ordered a bunch of stoppers, actually, so that'll be good. You can already see a little bit of the silver lining well, that's not good at all. All over the place. Now, you're supposed to be using a very, very clean flask for this, and I do not have that option. Now, this is supposed to take a couple minutes, so the fact that it happened immediately, I don't know what happened or what I did, but it was supposed to like I said, when I added that ammonium hydroxide, it was supposed to turn a dark cloudy brown, and then I was supposed to add a little bit more ammonium hydroxide until it turned clear. Now what I think happened is I added too much right away, which I guess seems weird to me because I added very little at the very beginning. So yeah, this looks pretty good. I mean, for having a really dirty flask. It's only at 8 minutes, wow. Alright, let's go ahead and clean this out. If I can get it off this time. There we go. Alright, so what we have at the end here is a silver flask, and if you look inside, you can see maybe, but it's kind of mirrored. It's pretty cool. And this middle part's really, really dirty. So that's kind of the effect that had. Um, but yeah, this is kind of a cool thing for kind of Christmassy type of thing. We make this into an ornament, have like a piece of wire or something and a cork. Because if you leave it open and like put things in there or whatever, or even rinse it out a few times, the silver will actually come off the, the flask. So yeah, I thought it was kind of cool. It actually worked this time. Um, Hopefully I can do it again. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna clean up. Keep this running. And yeah, successful lab, I guess. All right. See you guys later.